I'm Jon Snell. I am based out of Miami. I work for the Foreign Commonwealth Office. I'm the Disaster Management Advisor for the Overseas Territories. I felt like the Business Continuity Workshop was a very critical workshop or capacity building event to have in TCI. And I believe it's a good event to have overall throughout the Caribbean and throughout the world, because everybody needs to be looking at business continuity, especially when it comes to either disasters or man-made events. And I think it's a good thing to look at before an event happens, so that you're prepared for whatever comes your way when you experience a crisis. It doesn't necessarily have to be a disaster. It could be any number of things that could impact your business. And the fact that we're looking at that now here at TCI, I think is a critical thing. And I believe the Disaster Management Office is ahead of the game when it comes to disaster preparedness by putting on this workshop. And some of the participants were a little apprehensive when they first initiated the workshop, but the speaker was great, or the facilitator was great. She was really engaging, and she really understood business continuity. So I think her knowledge base actually activated the knowledge base from the participants who serve all over TCI government, may that be local roles or national roles, and they ultimately became over-engaging, which is a positive thing, and the room really became sort of what I would call like organized chaos, an organized chaos in a good manner, because everyone was engaging with each other, learning from each other, and learning different aspects of business. So I think they understood the benefit as we move forward, and I believe it's a great event to put on continuously throughout TCI, so that not only the public sector but the private sector understands business continuity and how we all work together as public-private partnerships moving forward. So I believe it's a good thing to continue to engage in and support for TCI as a government.